Well, today I'm going to show you the sub panel that I installed for my solar, the generator, and all the crypto mining that I'm doing. Because the panel here, that's with the meter, didn't have very many circuits in it, which I'll show you. Didn't have very many at all. That's why I went ahead and installed this other sub panel. Which is right here. I know this is overkill, but I was thinking about the future. Hopefully I can get a lot bigger, but time will tell on that. Got an outlet built in on the side. And there's the manufacturer of this panel. It's still a work in progress. Before people start whining about the colors of the wires, I used what I had on hand. Copper is getting very expensive nowadays. You can always color code it with a piece of tape at the end of the wires for your red and black, if you don't have red and black. But I haven't even done that yet, but I'm going to. Like I said, this is still a work in progress. Right here, these are my PDUs. The reason I got black and white, because those PDUs were pre-wired, and those were the colors of the wires that was in the PDUs instead of black and red for 220. I just need to put a strip of red color code on the white. And that's feeding my sub panel inside the house. Right here. I put the yellow on there so when I was pulling it through the conduit I knew what they were. I gotta take that yellow off and mark one of them with red. And for my solar over here, that's inverter 1, inverter 2. I got the breaker in for inverter 3, which I don't have installed yet. And that, like I said on a previous video, I'm going to try to get that done by the end of the year or by the end of January. Those are my disconnects for my generator. It's a manual transfer switch. This here slides over. You turn the main off for the feed for the utilities. Then you can turn this one up when that's moved over for the generator, vice versa when you're running the AC. And those things there are for lightning strikes. Those are surge arresters. And they are big. And those are relays for alarms to let you know when the AC's down. The wiring diagram of the panel itself. Oh, there we go. And there's what I'm talking about for the manual transfer switch. I had the generator hooked up to the alternate, and the grid feed is the normal. I'm going to put up a little barrier here with some shrubs or hedges to hide all this here so it's not an eyesore. Or else just put up a small little fence around it. I haven't decided yet. After I get everything installed, I'll see about all that. And this here is another hookup for a temporary generator. And as always, I love it when I see this meter going backwards. I'm trying to get it where you can see that bottom line going across the bottom there. It is moving at a pretty good clip too. Like I said, I haven't been billed for 1 kilowatt hour now in over a year. I still have to pay a service fee with the electric company, and they only pay me a surplus once a year, but it's a fraction of what they charge. But something is better than nothing, and I sure beats paying for it, that's for sure. No matter what anybody else tells you, if you don't have to pay for it, that's always a good thing. And we definitely have good sunshine today. Today's going to be a very good power day. Usually I make, with what panels I have up right now, about 75 to 80 kilowatt hours a day in solar power. All right. As always, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.